Have you ever thought about what helps you smile, wave your hand, or even take a breath? It's your muscular system, a powerful and complex network of muscles working every second to keep you moving, standing, breathing, and even pumping blood through your body. In this video, we'll break down how the muscular system works, the types of muscles, and how it supports your everyday life, from blinking your eyes to running a race. The human body has over 600 muscles, and they make up about 40 to 50% of your total body weight. There are three main types of muscles in the body. First is skeletal muscle. These are the muscles you can control, also called voluntary muscles. They are attached to bones by tendons. When they contract, they pull on bones and create movement. Examples include your biceps, quadriceps, and calf muscles. Second is smooth muscle. These are involuntary muscles. You don't control them consciously. They're found in the walls of internal organs like the stomach, intestines, and blood vessels. They help move food, blood, and other substances through the body. Third is cardiac muscle. This muscle is found only in the heart. It's also involuntary and never tires. It contracts rhythmically to pump blood throughout your body, beating around 100,000 times a day. Muscles don't work alone. They partner with your skeletal system to form what we call the musculoskeletal system. Here is how it works. Muscles are connected to bones by tendons. When a muscle contracts, it pulls on the bone to which it's attached. Most movements happen at joints, where bones meet. For example, when you bend your arm, your biceps contract while the triceps relax. When you straighten your arm, the reverse happens. Muscles usually work in pairs. One contracts while the other relaxes. This cooperation makes movement smooth and controlled. Muscle health and care. To keep your muscles strong and healthy, your body needs exercise, especially strength training and stretching. Protein-rich foods to help repair and build muscle tissue. Hydration, to keep muscles functioning properly. Rest and sleep, which are essential for muscle recovery. And avoiding long periods of inactivity, because unused muscles can weaken and shrink, a process known as atrophy. Regular physical activity also helps keep your heart, your most important muscle, in good shape. The main job of these muscles is to contract and relax. That means they get shorter to pull on bones or organs, and then return to their original length. This simple motion powers everything from walking to digesting food. Muscles are not just for movement. They also help maintain posture, generate body heat, and protect internal organs. So, the next time you take a step, lift a book, or simply blink, remember your muscular system is behind it. Thanks for watching, and keep moving forward with your learning.